Hey guys, so this is another video for the airdrop. Okay, so the site name is MRGN. I will share the link in the description. So what you have to do, this is on Solana blockchain, so you need some Solana. Even a smaller amount would do. I funded my account with $11.46. First of all, when you will visit the site, you need to sign in. You can do in two ways. Either it is via Gmail, or you could do with the wallet also. Well, I will suggest the email is safer. So first of all, you need to swap from Solana to, I would suggest MSOL or JetSol, so anything in between. So we have 0.2. I would go for 0.1. Okay. Okay. And swap. Now there are two things. After swap, we have to lend, and then we have to borrow too. So there are two things we need to do. Well, the lending is the only thing we need to do for the to participate, but to get more points we need to borrow also. Okay, so we have MSOL, let's apply maximum. Okay, so it's maximum. I'm gonna okay, so MSOL is done. Let's see, it is still loading. Okay, yeah, it's done. Okay, so now we can see our points here. You can see how this works. So this is the complete overview of the point, lending point and borrowing point, and overview. So the higher the points, the better the chances are to get the airdrop. So you could see all these here, the points and the leaderboard. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.